Supreme Court of India Bihar State Electricity Board and others versus Dharamdeo Das decided on July 23, 2024 SCC Online SC 1768 Facts of the case. Respondent, who was physically challenged and SC category, was appointed on a temporary basis on the post of Lower Division Assistant, promoted to the post Upper Division Assistant. Section Officer, Administrative Officer on a notional basis, post of Under Secretary, and finally, he was granted accelerated promotion to the post of Joint Secretary via notification dated March 5, 2003. Writ petition for considering him promotion to the post of Joint Secretary with effect from July 29, 1997 and not from March 5, 2003 on a plea that though the post of Joint Secretary for the reserved category candidate in the board was vacant from July 29, 1997, the respondent succeeded in the intra-court appeal. Findings of the court. It is no longer residential integra that a promotion is effective from the date it is granted and not from the date when a vacancy occurs on the subject post or when the post itself is created. No doubt, a right to be considered for promotion has been treated by courts not just as a statutory right but as a fundamental right. At the same time, there is no fundamental right to promotion itself. The spirit behind elevating the right for being considered for promotion to a fundamental right is enshrined in the principle of equality of opportunity in relation to matters of employment and appointment to a position under the state. Once employed, the employees are entitled for being considered for promotion to the next higher post subject to their satisfying the eligibility criteria as per the applicable rules. Failure to consider an employee for promotion even after satisfying the eligibility criteria would violate her fundamental right. However, a clear distinction has been drawn between the stage of considering an employee for being promoted to taking the next step of recognizing the said right as a vested right for promotion. That is where the line has to be drawn. Stated differently, a right to be considered for promotion being a facet of the right to equal opportunity in employment and appointment would have to be treated as a fundamental right guaranteed under Articles 14 and 16(1) of the Constitution of India, but such a right cannot translate into a vested right of the employee for being necessarily promoted to the promotional post. Unless the rules expressly provide for such a situation, the view that seniority can neither be reckoned from the date when a vacancy arises, nor can it be granted retrospectively unless the service rules specifically provide for such a situation. We do not find any error in the stand taken by the appellant board in terms of its resolution dated June 9, 2005, whereby the respondent's plea for shifting his date of promotion to the post of Joint Secretary from March 5, 2003 to July 29, 1997 was rejected for the reason that there was no vacant post of Joint Secretary during the period between July 29, 1997 to March 5, 2003 on account of the fact that after the bifurcation of the erstwhile state of Bihar into the present state of Bihar and Jharkhand vide resolution dated 6th and December 8, 2003 the appellant board had taken a calibrated decision to slash the number of sanctioned posts of Joint Secretary from 6 to 3 at the headquarters at Patna. Even otherwise, assuming that there was a vacancy to the subject post, it would not have automatically created a valuable right in favor of the respondent for claiming retrospective promotion to the next higher post. It is only when an actual vacancy arose that the respondent was granted the benefit of accelerated promotion, and that too ongoing through the prescribed process. This is not a case where the respondent has been deprived of promotion to the next higher post, nor is it a case where the action of the board was guided by any mala fides or colorable exercise of power. Accordingly, the present appeal succeeds.